Right, so it's Monday, May 29th. And I don't know what time it is. Do you remember what time it is? Anyway, it's probably 8 o'clock. And it's 72 degrees, and this is our first day of rain on the Appalachian Trail. We're all bundled up for rain, and it is raining here at Bears Den Hostel. We're heading out shortly to go to Blackburn Shelter as our target today. So anyway, it's going to be an adventure. The roller coaster in the rain. I'm sure
Frizzle. 3 miles left.
Yeah. I'm sure Frizzle and Chasing Blazes did it all in one day, so we can do a few miles. So we're going to get started, and we'll check in along the way. You good?
I'm good.
All right, let's do it.
As we were coming down the hill, I was thinking about my first trip with Burt.
Yeah.
And we started out that morning in the rain, and I remember thinking, surely we're not going to do this.
Burt, are we
going to
do this?
Yeah. And he just looked at me like I was kind of crazy. But Burt, we're going to dedicate this day to you.
Yep. To walking and hiking in the rain, Burt.
Yep.
You taught us to do it.
You taught us to do it, that we wouldn't melt. It was all going to be okay.
So, here's to you, Burt. All right, even though it's raining, we've got an awesome view here. All right, so we're hiking down from Bears Den Hostel down here to Highway 7. This is Snickers Gap. And this is one of the big roads we've got to cross. It looks like we've got to go to our left to go around that barrier there, that guardrails. So we will have to finesse our way through here to see how to do it. I think what we've got to do is we've got to go down that other side, down below that guardrail to get onto the trail. So we will play a little Frogger here and figure out how to get through this safely. All right, so here we are at Snickers Gap, and I guess we're going to get to do Raven Rocks Trail as we're heading to the Blackburn Center. But Platinum's going to check out all the sights to see.
I think you can get pizza delivered, maybe.
Pizza delivered here?
No, we can walk a mile.
Oh, we can walk a mile to get a pizza.
Downhill.
Well, we don't like to walk, so. All right, so let me check to see what we got to do here to get up this roller coaster rise.
It's been raining this morning, but the rain's kind of stopped a little bit. So we took off rain gear. We're soaked anyway with rain gear. But it's just beautiful. The birds are out chirping. Who's that over there? Ta-da! Hey, Sweeper. Like that archway?
Yeah, nice archway. Come on. So we are walking up toward the north end of the roller coaster and walking into a stand of Mount Laurel that are blooming. And they are absolutely beautiful. We've passed the Blackburn Center, and we've made a decision to head to David Lester Shelter tonight. It's going to put us at about 12, 13 miles today, which is our longest day on this stretch. But after doing the roller coaster for 4 days, this trail seems a whole lot more manageable. So, rain should be coming in around 6 o'clock, and we want to get there, get set up, get our water, get our tent, and get squared away before the rain gets here. So we will check in along the way. Okay, this is our wrap up for Monday, May 29th, which is Memorial Day, and we are at the David Lesser Shelter. So we went a few miles further than what we had planned. Once we got through the roller coaster, the rest of the trail seemed so easy. We just felt we needed to keep going. And it lined us up for a short day on our last day here going into Harper's Ferry. So
we had, what, 11.5 miles?
11.5 miles, which is the longest miles we've done packing since we've been carrying weight here. And
I think we did some in the Smokies that last day.
did we?
Yeah, we've done a couple days.
But that's
like
about
that.
10 days in, so we were starting to get over some of the soreness and getting a little stronger. So maybe we're getting there on this trip now. We are gonna sign off here, and we will get back with you on the 30th for our last day here in Maryland. Okay. Actually, we're not in Maryland. We're in West Virginia.
You're in Virginia.
We're right on the line right now. So, yep. So, looking forward to getting to the Shenandoah. Okay.
The Shenandoah
River.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about the park.
No, the Shenandoah River. Yeah.
We're tired.
Yeah. All right. So we will check in on our way to Harper's Ferry.